In this task, we are going to install HTTPD on all app servers, and then we're going to create this file. Then we're going to add this content to that file, and then we need to use a Lineinfile module to add some more content to index file, this one. And then we need to ensure that this index file owns by group and the owner should be, user should be Apache, and then it should have these permissions. So I have already written a playbook for this one. Just copy it, get into this directory. We already do have an inventory file, so let's create playbook.yaml. Here we are running it on all hosts, so we need to be sudo user to run install something. Then we are installing HTTPD with the package manager, and then we are by using service we are going to start it and enable it, and then we are going to create a, we are going to use copy module, and then we are creating index.html file, and then we are adding this content to it. So once you run that, then we are going to attach these permissions on that, and then here we are using Lineinfile module. We are adding a path to this one, and then line, we are adding this line, and then here we're mentioning that insert before a file. So and then we're going to give these permissions. If you have a doubt, we can do Lineinfile Ansible. So you can go to document page, scroll down, you can check the options, insert before, insert after. So you can have many options. This gives flexibility if you compare with block and file. So if you run this task, Ansible playbook inventory and playbook name. So meanwhile you can open new terminal. If you do curl stf01, so once it is done installing and enabling it, then we can see the content. It should add this line, and then on the next line it should add this one. Meanwhile we can go to document, type insert before. So it says that this parameter changes the operation of the module slightly. Insert before and insert after will be ignored if the regex, okay, we are not using regex. That's fine, we are inserting before it on the top. So we had this content first, on top of that we're going to add this one. If you don't put the insert before, it's going to add it next to this one. Let's see. If you do curl, let's see, still installing it. This one is going to take a while. Okay, it says changed. I think we can check that now. Which one it changed? Installed, and then service is enabled running. Check it now. Yeah, now we can see. So earlier we had this one. We mentioned in Lineinfile module insert before. That's why it added. It usually adds after this line, but it has it added before. So that's why you can check in the task as well. It says that somewhere. Yeah, also make sure this new line is added at the top of the line, top of the file. So that's what we did. So if we check the task results now, it's successful. Thank you so much for watching.